Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to know if the BitLocker is enabled on your Windows 11 PC? So in this video, I'll show you 3 simple ways to check whether the BitLocker is on or off on your drive. Step by step, I will guide you. Step number 1, using the control panel method. Simply click on the search bar, then type here control panel. Then click on the control panel app. Then look out for the system and security tab. Click on this. Then after this, you have to look out for the BitLocker drive encryption. Simply click on this tab. Now here, my all drives. Here is my C drive, D drive and E drive. And here is the status. As you can see, here is my C drive. The BitLocker is off. That means on my C drive, the BitLocker is disabled. Same, the D drive. The BitLocker is on and locked. That means on the D drive, the BitLocker is turned on. And here is my E drive, BitLocker is off. That means the BitLocker is turned off on my E drive. Here is the method number 1. Let's move on the method number 2. Simply close this slide. Again, click on the search bar, then type here settings. Then click on the settings app. And then after this, you have to look out for the privacy and security tab. Click on this. Then you have to look out for the device encryption tab. Simply click on this. Now here, as you can see, now the BitLocker device encryption is turned off. That means here is my device BitLocker status is disabled and turned off. And this is the method number 2. Let's move on the method number 3. Simply close this slide. Then again click on the search bar. Then type here cmd. Then click on the run as administrator. And this will open the cmd slide. Then after this, simply type this command manage. Put the hyphen, then type here bd. Again put the space, put the hyphen, then type here status. And make sure your command should be correct. Then simply press the enter key. Now the command was successful. And look out for the drive letter. And here is the volume C. Here, this is my C drive. And look out for the protection status. As you can see, here is the protection status is off. That means on my C drive, the BitLocker is turned off. And here is my volume E drive. And look out for the protection status. Also on my E drive, the BitLocker is turned off. So with this simple method, you can easily check whether the BitLocker is turned off on your drives in Windows 11. But wait, before I sign out, if this tutorial helped you, do not forget to like, comment, share and follow my channel. I'll see you in the next video and thanks for watching.